Okay, so welcome back. We now have a car body with axles on the side to mount our wheels on. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but if you want to try something a little bit different to make yours looking more unique, what we can do is we're going to look at this bottom surface here, and I'm going to click this feature here called shell. And if I click on the bottom of this here, it has a shell thickness, a default setting of 2.5mm, which to me is pretty good, and I like that. So I'm going to click on that there, and you'll notice it's hollowed out my car. What we could then do is we could then start another sketch on this plane. I'm going to select that plane there, it's on the back, and I am going to just draw some basic line. I'm just going to draw a basic line from there to there. I'm just going to draw a line from there, and if I just click on that line there, it's going to try and draw me a line that is parallel. You notice it's dotted there, parallel to that one there, and I'm going to click escape line. And I'm going to use the scissor tool to trim that part and that part away, and I'm going to click OK. And if I go back to our isometric view, and I'm going to orbit around, I am going to then go to the extrude, and I'm going to select that feature there. Now what it wants to do is it thinks I want to add material to it, so if I drag that out, it's going to want to add material. But what we're going to do is if we put it the other way and go to remove, I've just, as we've gone so far, it's 375, I could change that to 60 if I wanted, and click OK. That has hollowed it out, so it shows there's the inside workings of the car, which is quite good. The next thing you can do if you want to is start a sketch on this part here, and you can put a window. We're doing it from the top, and I'm going to draw a rectangle in there, and I'm then going to click OK. I'm going to orbit around my car, and if I use my extrude tool there, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to move that through there. We know the shell thickness is 2.5, so type in 2.5. It will remove that there, or not. So I'm just going to try that again, click remove, move in that way. I want to remove material, and if I type in 2.5 and click the tick, it's removed material from there. So my car has a window as well, so you can see through it. I will leave you there. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.